Do you ever wake up feeling like you've barely slept at all, even after a full night's rest? That nagging exhaustion as if your body just can't recharge, no matter how many hours you spend in bed? If you're nodding your head, you're not alone. So many people experience this sense of heaviness, a kind of sluggishness that seeps into your mornings and sticks with you through the day, making every little task feel like a mountain to climb, draining your motivation and energy. But here's the thing. These symptoms are so common that most people dismiss them as just a normal part of life. We get used to them, normalize them, and ignore what our bodies are trying to tell us. We push through, thinking it's just stress, aging, or lack of sleep. However, what most people don't realize is that these signs can actually be your liver's way of crying out for help. The liver is one of the most crucial and overlooked organs when it comes to your overall health, energy levels, and ability to thrive. In today's video, I'm going to reveal 7 subtle but serious warning signs that your liver is overloaded, and more importantly, I'll show you practical solutions you can start using right away to support your liver naturally. If you're interested in real, evidence-based answers to your health concerns, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new ways to optimize your well-being. Let's start with one of the most common, yet most misunderstood symptoms: constant, unrelenting fatigue. Now, I'm not talking about the kind of tiredness that comes from a late night out or a stressful week. This is a deep, lingering exhaustion that just doesn't seem to lift, no matter how much you sleep or how many cups of coffee you drink. You might find yourself dragging through the day, struggling to keep your eyes open, and wondering why you never feel truly rested. What's really happening here is that your liver, which is your body's main detoxification powerhouse, is working overtime. When your liver is overloaded with toxins from processed foods, environmental pollutants, or even medications, it has to divert its energy and resources into filtering all of that out. That means less energy is available for you to actually use throughout your day. Think of your liver as a factory, with limited workers. If most of them are tied up dealing with an influx of toxins, there aren't enough left to handle other essential tasks, like converting nutrients into usable energy. The result? You feel like you're running on empty, even when you're doing all the right things for your health. This type of fatigue is different from ordinary tiredness. It doesn't improve with rest. In fact, you might even feel worse after sleeping because your liver does most of its detox work at night. If it's overwhelmed, you wake up feeling as though you've been working instead of resting. Unfortunately, many people write this off as just part of getting older, but chronic fatigue should always prompt you to look deeper. Your body is incredibly wise. It won't waste energy on symptoms unless something needs your attention. Instead of reaching for more caffeine or pushing through, it's time to listen. If you're experiencing this kind of fatigue, supporting your liver could be the missing piece. Simple changes, like reducing processed foods and incorporating liver-friendly nutrients, can make a dramatic difference in your energy levels. So, if you're waking up tired and dragging through the day, don't ignore it. Your liver may be sending you a very clear message that it needs support before more serious issues develop. Next, let's talk about something that can be incredibly frustrating: brain fog. Have you ever found yourself walking into a room and forgetting why you went there, or struggling to recall basic words in conversation? Maybe you feel like your brain is moving in slow motion, making even the simplest decisions feel overwhelming. This isn't just a matter of aging or distraction. When your liver is overloaded and can't filter out toxins efficiently, those substances can circulate in your bloodstream and eventually make their way to your brain. This toxic buildup can interfere with neurotransmitter function, slow down your mental processes, and sap your motivation. You might notice increased forgetfulness, difficulty focusing, and a general lack of mental clarity. Tasks that used to be simple now require twice the effort. It's almost as if there's a fog that refuses to lift, no matter how hard you try to push through it. Many people brush this off as just stress, but brain fog is often your liver's way of signaling that it's struggling to keep up. Remember, the liver is responsible for detoxifying not just physical toxins, but also the byproducts of mental and emotional stress. If you notice that your thinking feels heavy, or that you're constantly battling low motivation, it's time to look at how your liver is functioning. Supporting your liver can help clear the mental cobwebs and bring back that sense of sharpness and motivation you thought you'd lost. Practical solutions include increasing your intake of antioxidants, staying hydrated, and making sure you're getting enough healthy fats to support brain and liver health. Even just cutting back on sugar and processed foods can make a noticeable difference. Don't accept brain fog as your new normal. If your mind feels clouded, that's a sign your body, and specifically, your liver, needs your attention right now. Now, here's a sign that's easier to pinpoint: A dull ache or heaviness in your upper right abdomen. This is a physical symptom you can't easily ignore, and it often goes unrecognized for what it really means. The liver is located just under your right rib cage, and when it's working too hard or becoming inflamed, you may actually feel discomfort in this area. Maybe it's not a sharp pain, more like a persistent nagging heaviness or fullness. You might notice it after eating a heavy meal, or it could be there all the time, especially if you've been under stress or eating a lot of processed foods. This sensation is your liver's way of signaling that it's under stress. Sometimes, this discomfort is accompanied by bloating, a feeling of tightness, or even mild nausea. While these symptoms can have many causes, the location is key. If you consistently feel heaviness or discomfort in the upper right side of your abdomen, don't ignore it. This is your body's natural feedback system in action. The liver doesn't have pain receptors like other organs, so when you do feel something, it's usually a sign that things have progressed further than you realize. The earlier you pay attention to these physical signals, the easier it is to reverse the overload. Supporting your liver at this stage can make a huge difference. Simple steps, like increasing your intake of bitter greens, drinking more water, and avoiding large, fatty meals, can help alleviate the stress on your liver. Remember, discomfort is not just an inconvenience, it's communication. Your body is trying to get your attention so you can make positive changes before more serious issues develop. Another important warning sign of an overloaded liver is unexplained itching, and in more advanced cases, yellowish skin or eyes, a condition known as jaundice. If you've noticed that your skin feels persistently itchy, even without a visible rash or allergy, this could be your liver talking. Here's why. When the liver can't properly filter toxins and waste products from your blood, these substances can accumulate and irritate your nerve endings. That irritation often presents as itching, sometimes all over, sometimes in specific areas. In addition, a buildup of a substance called bilirubin, normally processed efficiently by a healthy liver, can start to show up in your skin and the whites of your eyes. This yellowish tint is a classic sign that liver function is compromised and that toxins are backing up in your system. It's easy to overlook a little itching or brush off a slight yellowing as tiredness or poor lighting, but these are important signals. They mean your body is having trouble eliminating waste properly, and action is needed. If you notice these symptoms, it's crucial to evaluate your diet and lifestyle. Reducing alcohol, increasing hydration, and adding liver-supportive foods can help your liver process and eliminate toxins more efficiently. Don't wait for these symptoms to worsen. The liver can often recover when you make supportive changes early on, but ignoring these signs can lead to more significant health problems down the road. Your skin is a mirror of your internal health. Listen to it, and respond with the support your body is asking for. Next, let's discuss a sign that people rarely talk about but is incredibly important: changes in the color of your urine and stool. You might not think twice about these everyday bodily functions, but honestly, they offer critical clues about your liver's health. If you notice that your urine is consistently darker than usual, think amber or even brownish hues, or if your stools are unusually pale or clay-colored, these are classic signs of liver dysfunction. The reason? Well, it all comes down to bile, which the liver produces to help digest fats and eliminate waste. When bile isn't flowing properly, due to an overloaded or inflamed liver, your urine can become darker as the body tries to eliminate excess bilirubin through the kidneys. At the same time, stools may lose their normal brown color and appear pale, because there's not enough bile pigment reaching the digestive tract. These changes are often subtle at first, but if you notice them persisting, it's time to take action. Don't just dismiss them as dehydration or a temporary stomach bug, especially if other liver symptoms are present. Supporting your liver with hydration, fiber-rich foods, and reducing alcohol intake can help restore proper bile flow and normalize these bodily functions. If you see persistent changes, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider. Your body is always giving you feedback, sometimes in ways you wouldn't expect. Pay attention to these signs, and you'll catch liver overload before it causes bigger problems. Another common but often ignored sign of liver overload is fluid retention, particularly in the legs, ankles, and feet. If you notice swelling, sometimes to the point where pressing a finger into your skin leaves a noticeable indentation, your liver may be struggling to keep up. The liver produces proteins that help maintain the proper balance of fluid in your blood vessels. When your liver can't keep up with this important job, fluid leaks out into the surrounding tissues, causing swelling and puffiness, especially in the lower extremities. You might notice your shoes feeling tighter, socks leaving deep marks, or even a sense of heaviness in your legs by the end of the day. This isn't just a cosmetic issue, it's your body's way of signaling that something isn't right with your internal fluid balance. If you're experiencing this kind of swelling, it's essential to look beyond just cutting back on salt. Supporting your liver's protein production and overall health is key to resolving the underlying issue. This can involve eating more high-quality protein, staying hydrated, and including anti-inflammatory foods in your diet. Fluid retention is often normalized as part of aging or standing too long, but persistent swelling should always prompt further investigation. The sooner you address liver overload, the easier it is to reverse. Listen to your body's signals. Swelling is more than skin deep. It's a warning to take better care of your liver, starting today. Finally, let's talk about a symptom that frustrates so many people: stubborn weight gain, especially around the midsection. If you've been eating well, exercising, and still can't seem to lose that belly fat, your liver could be the missing link. Here's what's happening. When your liver is overloaded, your body has to find a way to protect itself from the buildup of toxins. One way it does this is by storing excess toxins in fat cells, especially those around your abdomen. This is a protective mechanism, but it also makes losing weight incredibly difficult. You might notice that no matter how hard you work, the scale doesn't budge, and your waistline stays the same. This isn't just about calories in versus calories out. It's about your body's ability to process and eliminate toxins efficiently. When the liver is healthy and functioning optimally, fat metabolism improves, and weight loss becomes much easier. But when it's overwhelmed, toxins get locked away in fat, and your body resists burning those stores as an added layer of protection. The good news is, by supporting your liver with the right foods and lifestyle choices, you can break through that plateau and finally start to see results. Focus on detoxifying foods, regular movement, and plenty of water to help your liver do its job more efficiently. Don't blame yourself for stubborn weight gain. It's often a sign of deeper imbalances, and your liver might just be the missing piece. Here's the good news. Your liver is one of the most resilient organs in your body. With the right support, it can regenerate, repair, and bounce back, often much faster than you'd expect. Small, consistent changes really do add up over time, and you have the power to turn these warning signs into signals of healing and renewal. If you're ready to take action, start by adding simple, liver-loving foods to your daily routine. Garlic, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts, turmeric, ginger, and warm lemon water are all powerful allies for your liver. Just these easy additions can help your body detoxify more effectively and restore your natural energy and vitality. Remember, your body is always communicating with you. Every symptom is a message, not a nuisance. So listen closely. Don't ignore what your body is trying to tell you. Let me know in the comments which warning signs you've experienced and which foods you're going to try first. Stay tuned for my next video, where I'll talk about the top foods to avoid for better liver health. Until then, stay aware, stay consistent, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural, evidence-based health tips. Your best health starts here.